Welcome back to another episode of Bower TV. We have a very special guest on Bower TV today. Our client Alicia has featured all through this transformation as we took an unused, closed up room in her home and transformed it into a very inspiring boho entrepreneurial office. So stick around and hope you enjoy this styling and interior project with Bowerhouse Projects collaboration with our very own client from Power Paws Petcare.
We are doing a spruce, a styling, a
little bit of an interior design reno to my office in my apartment.
So what we did first is we put together a mood board, and we'll show that to you now. When you're thinking about a space, there's a few tips that you need to understand. Firstly is the operations of the space. So what are you going to use the space for? Second thing that you need to take into account is lighting. Now, wherever you're going to sit and work, you want to make sure that you're having the right lighting. The other thing is obviously mood and vibe, and budget. So we try to use a lot of the existing stuff.
Yeah, so a lot of the things from around the apartment or things that I've just collected over time to just reposition or locate to meet that criteria. And also came up and Target, best friends.
Yes.
Oh, and Facebook Marketplace.
Yes.
A lot of people sell secondhand stuff, and it's really good to buy recycled because it's also really good for the environment.
We love that.
And people, you get a bargain as well. So it's a lot easier for the pocket and also for the environment.
We are going to be having a wall, which is going to be a photo wall. We've got these posters, which will actual photography that has been printed out from a local photographer who is a friend of ours, who is amazing. On the other side of the room, we have a wall, which is a very loud mint color, which we've had to work with. It's not something that Alicia chose, but it was here in the apartment.
So unfortunately we couldn't get rid of it, but it's kind of worked to our advantage because we can play with that colour and a little incentive to kind of follow through with that colour palette.
So with those tips, you can use them in your own space. So now we've got to get to work.
Yes.
So let's get to it.